not an ex wearing a low-cut red dress. then that's a whole other ball game. You be wearing red in some other ways, honey. My wedding
You have to get your girls together.
Overall, what would you give the royal wedding grade?
I would say the royal wedding was an A+. I mean, I think we saw two people who were very much in love, and every choice they made, they brought it together. They showed a lot of themselves through the wedding, and so I think the wedding itself. I mean, yes, that's a different story, but I think the wedding itself was great. I think it was an A+.
I have to ask her really quickly though.
Okay.
Your grade for Megan's dress, because that a lot of people were
Okay.
saying it was a little.
I said, and this is what I said too on my Instagram page, I loved her dress. It was classic, it was timeless. I know people thought it was plain, but when we look at this photo 20, 25, 50 years from now, she's still going to look like a classic beauty.
Did you like it, Nina?
No.
Oh, no.
We wanted to see more glitz and glam.
No,
Yeah.
think about it. Whatever she wore, people were going to critique.
Right.
So I think she went the safest route. Look, she's new to the royal.
Yes, it had to be safe.
It had to be
And
safe.
I'm not a big fan of safe. So I'm a big fan of bling. I wanted to see
Push
some more diamonds.
Yeah, but in 50 years, she's going to look
Right.
timeless.
It'll photograph in a way that it's not a trend.
And I think that's what she was going for. She knew she was making history in that dress.
I love that ring, that aquamarine ring that
Beautiful.
she changed into with the
Right.
cutout dress.
Gorgeous,
It was
yeah.
great.
She was
And so
beautiful.
this song, did you look at your
What about the second dress, Nina?
It was a little Melrose Place for me, but I liked it. It looked, you remember when they had the Melrose Place weddings and everybody got married in those kind of dresses? That's what it reminded me of, but still beautiful.
Where Dad would gather around the pool, they all ended up.
Yeah, I thought I was going to see Michael and Kimberly come out.
She's a touches down, so we're going to start to see a little bit of a shift. I mean, remember she started out with bare legs, and then she was wearing her skirt, now she's wearing the pantyhose.
And it doesn't have to get approved, so these are, her gowns had to be approved, so it's not necessarily just her choice.
Right.
All right, Elaine, thanks so much. Great advice. You can get more advice from Elaine in her book, Let Crazy Be Crazy, which is available.